In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Chrome bookmarks. We'll move from the quickest fixes to more advanced methods, so follow along and try each option until your bookmarks reappear. If you just deleted a bookmark or a folder by accident, act right away. Open Chrome's Bookmark Manager, then use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus O. With that page open, press Ctrl plus Z. This undo command can instantly bring back recently deleted bookmarks, as long as the action was recent and the tab is still open. If that doesn't work, check the new bookmark trash. Chrome now keeps deleted bookmarks for about 30 days. Open the Bookmark Manager again and look for a section labeled Trash or Deleted. If you see your missing items there, restore them. This is one of the easiest ways to recover bookmarks removed in the last month. Next, consider Chrome Sync. If you were signed into Chrome before the bookmarks went missing, your data might still live in your Google account or on another device. Open Chrome Settings, go to You and Google, then Sync and turn Sync on, making sure Bookmarks is enabled. Give it a moment, your bookmarks may repopulate from the cloud. If you still don't see them, try restoring from Chrome's automatic backup file on Windows. Close Chrome completely first, then press the Windows key plus R, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Navigate to Google, then Chrome, User Data, and Default. In this folder, look for two files named Bookmarks and Bookmarks.bak. Delete the file named Bookmarks, then rename Bookmarks.bak to Bookmarks. This replaces your current bookmark file with the previous version Chrome saved, which is often enough to bring your list back to life. If you've previously exported your bookmarks to an HTML file, you can import that backup. Open Chrome, go to Bookmarks, choose Import Bookmarks, and select your saved HTML file. This is reliable if you regularly back up your bookmarks. A few important realities to keep in mind. If you don't have a backup and you never use Sync, recovery may not be possible. Also, opening and using Chrome after deletions can overwrite the backup file, reducing your chances of success. Finally, data recovery tools are a last resort and not guaranteed to find usable bookmark data. Try these options in order and pause after each one to check results. With a bit of luck, you'll have your bookmarks back exactly where you expect them.